Let's learn together. Kitchen utensils.
Colander.
Colander is also called a vegetable strainer and essential for various tasks, from cleaning vegetables to straining pasta.
Chopping board.
Chopping board, a wooden or plastic board where meats and vegetables can be cut.
Funnels.
Funnels used to fill jars made of various sizes of stainlesses, steel, aluminum, or plastic.
Grater.
Grater used to grate, shred, slice and separate foods, such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese.
Kitchen knives.
Kitchen knives, often referred to as cooks' or chef's tools. Knives are a must for all types of kitchen tasks.
Peeler.
Peeler used to scrape vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, and to peel fruits.
Wire whisk.
Whisk used for whipping eggs or batter, and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups.
Tongs.
Tongs enables you to more easily grab and transfer larger food items. Equipments. Refrigerator freezers. Refrigerator freezers are necessary in preventing bacterial infections from foods.
Microwave oven.
Microwave oven is used for reheating cooked foods.
Blender.
Blender used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, and liquefy all kinds of foods. Thank you for listening. I hope you've learned something.